cities I will not settle down. I'm going straight up the mountain and into the storm to look for the land of my dreams.